This is the breakdown of Alex's original lemonade stand dance to Firework. Coming in, clapping for 16 counts. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Bounce for 8 counts. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave your right hand for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. You're going to pop twice. Pop, pop. Arms are overhead. You're going to do a backstroke swimming starting with your right hand. Back, back, then front, 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 front. Repeat. Back, back, front, front. Next step. Touch right foot front with your right hand. 3 times. Touch front, touch back, touch front, touch back. This is the third. Then you're going to circle around like you're ice skating. Around. Repeat. Front, back, front, back, front, back, around. 3 hips and clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lifting up your right arm, coming around slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your foot in, arms together. You're going to look right, look left, look right, look left. Chorus of Firework. Hands are going to burst out like a firework. Burst. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Burst. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 pops with your upper body slow. Pop 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, cross, right foot front. Cross and open. Then cross again, left foot and open. Fist pump without a jump. Just pop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add a jump. Jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add 1 turn for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open right, open left, close right, close left. You're going to repeat the whole thing. Then you're going to do a freestyle. Then you will do the Firework chorus again. Pop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, cross, open, jump, cross, open. Step up, up, cross, cross.